Okay, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be doing a review of the Amazon Echo Studio. Obviously a direct competitor to the Apple HomePod 2, but with some major advantages, if I'm honest. The HomePod is £300, this is only £200, so you are saving £100 right off the bat. You've got a pretty decent material, nice feeling. It's not like the HomePod necessarily in build quality, but it's got a nice design to it. It's not gonna, it doesn't look cheap. It is a Wi-Fi speaker, obviously, got Alexa built in, but also has Bluetooth. So unlike the Apple HomePod, where you have to use, you have to have an iPhone for starters, but it also has to be connected through like the Apple Home app and the Apple ecosystem. It does have Bluetooth, and it can basically just be used by any phone, which for me is a massive win because I don't like speakers with Bluetooth. And the Alexa app, to be honest, isn't very brilliant. I had loads of problems trying to connect to it and then realized it had Bluetooth. And obviously Bluetooth is just a world of ease when it comes to connecting to speakers. So I will give you a sound test now. I know obviously I've done the comparison against the HomePod 2, but for people that don't care about the HomePod 2, I will do a sound test now, everything by Diamond Eyes at 80% volume.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stay, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me.
Okay, so just quickly, you'll notice that when I turn the volume down, the ring on top doesn't light up. And that is because, unfortunately, the volume on the speaker itself is not synced with the volume on the phone, which is just something I thought I'd mention because it annoys me. In that, obviously, if you connect to the speaker, it's on the other side of the room, and the speaker happens to be on like 10% volume, then even if you put your phone at full, that's 10% volume. So you've then got to get up and go and do it. And obviously with speakers that don't have remotes and stuff like that, that is a bit of a problem. It doesn't do that if you're connecting through the Alexa out through Wi-Fi, but when you're using Bluetooth, the volumes aren't synced, which personally does kind of annoy me. However, the sound is quite good actually. It's not HomePod 2 sound. It's not too far off, but it just sounds a little bit more airy, but you can tell there's a price difference basically. And yeah, ironically, even though it's actually much bigger in size, I guess a good way to describe it is that it feels like it's a smaller sound stage. The sound feels a bit narrower. But for 200 quid, you're getting a pretty decent speaker. And obviously you're getting the Alexa interface and there she is, and the AI and all of that that goes along with that. So yeah, I don't think this is a bad purchase at all. And obviously, if you've already got Alexa items in your household and they're all connected together, then that's the type of ecosystem you want to pursue. And yeah, you're not getting a bad speaker here either. And yeah, having Bluetooth already, to be honest, puts it above the HomePod 2, because that was an absolute nightmare to connect to. So yeah, if you've got any other questions about this, pop them down in the comments, and I'll do my best to get back to you.